So what up guys, it's your boy Mathew Javier again, and today for another vlog, we're going to answer chapter 3 all activities in the Net Acad. So again, I'm Mathew Javier. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now we're going to do it. Before we proceed to our topic, which is answering the chapter 3 activity, I will tell you how you memorize or tips of how for an easy memorizing techniques to know to know and get ready for the next chapter. So let's go. First, we're going to launch this course in the CCN. So me, myself and I will bookmark all the activities in the chapter 3, so we won't delay time and I will explain it to you later. So the first activity in the chapter 3 is the activity mapping the protocols of TCP and IP suite. So as you can see, there are columns for application, transport, internet, and network access. So in this blank box, you will put a different interface or different meaning of those who are under application, transport, internet, and network access. So first is we're going to do for the first memorization. We're going to first is memorize all those keywords and you will get an A for it. So for transport, I remember it is a UDP and a TCP. And another one for the internet is ICMP, OSPF, IP, and EIGRP. So guys, I will tell you more about network access. If we say network access is automatically, you can choose the Ethernet and the interface drivers. And for the application is all that POP, DNS, DHCP, SMTP, IMAP, SMTP, HTTP. These are all those applications that use in the protocols and layers. So guys, now we're going to check it if it is all correct, and if not, we're going to retry it again and perfect it again. So let's check it. So as you can see, it all correct. From the internet itself to the network access itself to the transport itself, application, so on and so forth. All of these application under application, transport, and internet and network access is all correct. Next one is the another activity is that identify layers and functions. What are those layers and function that you're going to use? So the given is in these numbers, we want to up to 7. So the question is only 5. So there is 2 wrong possible answers. So now we're going or given a chance to answer it properly to make it better or to memorize it and for exercises to exercise our brain. So let's go. First is bit transmission. As we can bit transmission is I can say it is a physical because physical layer have a bit transmission. The next one is provides a data path or route. So if provides data of route, maybe I can say it is a network. Because a network is provided by data and it also have a route to given a to a given path. So the next one is contain protocols used for process communication. So for that I can say it is um, transport, maybe transport or data link. No, 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 no. Application, maybe application. Let's check it later. The next one is exchange frames between devices. It is data link. And the last one is segments, transfers, and resembles data. And this is transport. Wait, let's check it. Oh, yes, it is all correct. According to the descriptions, the functional or the OSI layer or the layers are all correct. So let's proceed to the another activity, which is wait, I almost forgot that there is figure 2. The figure 2 is the TCP layer functional description, which is functional. So there are 4 questions, only 4 given choices, so it match. So first, what is the control hardware devices and media? It will be a network access, support communication across the reverse network. It is a transport, yes, and determines the path through the network. Internet. The last but not the least is represent data to the users and control dialogues. So it can be an application. So network access for control hardware devices and media. Transport supports communication across diverse network. Internet determines the path through the network, and application represent data to user control dialogues. Check. It is all correct. Those are the TCP and layer function. So let's proceed to the another activity. Maybe it is the last. The identify the PDU layer. So guys, here as you can see, they illustrate the encapsulation process, which is first is email data, data, transport, network, header, transport header, frame, and etc. and so on and so forth. So we're given an instruction to drag the PDU to the appropriate place rather in the stack to illustrate the order of the encapsulation process. When we say encapsulation, we're going to put a message of another message inside that message. So let's go. The first one is going to be data. Why? Because first you will put a data first to send a message. So the another one is segments for it, and the third one is packets. Fourth one is frames, and the last but not the least is bits. So here are the passing down the stack, or we call the encapsulation process. The first one is data, segments, packets, frames, bits to the router. So let's check. It is all correct. So guys, this is all the activity of chapter 3. S- I hope you learned something from me. And to end our discussion, I will just say to you what are those summary or the conclusion said to itself in this activity. And for this activity, it shows us how to send messages or how messages going through the internet just to arrive in our computer or in designated area. So chapter 3 is a for network and protocols and communication. The word from the word itself, excuse me, it helped us to build a stronger foundation about communication. So that's all. I'm Mathew P. Javier, a student of Bat State University taking BSIT. And thank you, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. That's all. Thank you.